2013 has been a great year for WOCA. Since our grand opening exhibition, we have had the opportunity to feature over 30 artists, over 10 exhibitions, create opportunities for local artists, and partner with local art organizations and businesses. It has been through the support of our dedicated sponsors, patrons, and growing list of volunteers that has made this possible. As 2013 comes to a close, we are raising funds for operational and programming costs to do even more in 2014. Through the success of this campaign, you can expect more exhibitions, more youth arts programs, more community outreach, and more arts education. Through your support, WOCA will be able to do even more in 2014. Check out our awesome perks on Indiegogo and make your contribution today. Thank you.